Welcome to Bai Chuan Tableware, your trusted partner for top-quality tableware manufacturing. In this video, we will showcase our factory's strengths that set us apart in the industry. Let's dive in. At Bai Chuan Flatware, we take pride in our state-of-the-art facility spanning over 2,000 square meters, with a team of 31 dedicated professionals. We have the capability to produce an impressive 35,000 pieces of tea flatware per day. Our production process is supported by 62 advanced pieces of equipment. We offer a wide range of options to cater to diverse customer needs. Whether you are looking for ready-made products or seeking design and customization services, we have you covered, our team of experts. Whether you are looking for ready-made products and customization services, we have you covered. Our team of experienced engineers is ready to bring your unique ideas to life. When it comes to quality, Bai Chuan Flatware is second to none. We are proud to be recognized as a trustworthy OEM partner for top-tier brands. Whether you need a large production run or a smaller batch order, we can accommodate your requirements and deliver on time. Are you ready to experience the exceptional manufacturing capabilities of Bai Chuan Flatware? Contact us today to learn more about our service.